everyone, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? आज की video is a shopping haul video. After a long time I'm doing a haul. Actually not a long time. I did a Nykaa haul very recently. Anyway, a fashion haul after a long time. Right. Now after Shein ने हमारा साथ छोड़ दिया है, मुझे बहुत मिस करती हूँ. But actually Myntra पे shop करने के बाद I found some really good stuff. A lot of variety, a lot of budget options like according to your budget. Affordable भी है और अच्छी भी हैं. So I have bought this bunch of stuff, really heavy this package is. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इसमें. ट्राई ऑन करके दिखाऊंगी सारी चीज़ें बिकॉज ऐसे आप लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा. लिंक्स विल बी डाउन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर? आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So the first item that I want to show you guys is this top. This is from Only. I love the color of this, guys. Look at this color, very vibrant mustard yellow. ऐसे color का मेरे पास कोई top नहीं था तो मैंने ये फटाफट pick up कर लिया when I saw it. This is from Only. Also about this, you can put your sleeves down, like if you want to wear it like an off shoulder, or you can also put your sleeves ऊपर if you want to wear it just as it is. Best part about this is the knot detail which is here. बहुत अच्छा fit आता है because of this knot detailing. It is cropped. It is not a long top. I mean not cropped like this, but of course like middle length, bottom जहाँ से start होगा वहीं तक है. So it's going to be comfortable. From the back, looks like this. Really like this pic. The next item that I have is this white shirt, a crisp white classic shirt. This is an essential, a wardrobe staple. What else can I say about this white shirt? You know guys, मैं हमेशा से एक white shirt, एक अच्छी क्वालिटी की, अच्छा fit, एक perfect white shirt ढूंढ रही थी और मुझे नहीं मिली थी अभी तक. I've tried like so many brands. I think I found my white shirt. This is from this brand. I guess this is from Mango. Yes, this is from Mango in my size medium. Amazing fit. This is not like purely cotton, थोड़ा सा mix है, which is why it makes it look very good and flowy on the body. This is how it looks. इसका back also is very simple, classic, chic kind of thing. I think ये must have है guys. So अगर आपके पास एक white shirt नहीं है ना, this is a must have. ले लो according to the fit and everything. Thumbs up. The third item that I want to show you guys is this dress. It's a really pretty classic dress, guys. मैंने इस haul में ना काफी blacks, बहुत सारे blacks pick करे. This is one of them. It's a dress. It's a blazer dress. It's a coat dress. Very much in trend. Looks very chic and classic. Black, of course, everybody's favorite. This is how it looks. It has buttons. The best part about this one is, guys, इसके buttons आप खोल सकते हो और इसको as a coat पहन सकते हो, as a shrug पहन सकते हो और बंद करके तो dress की तरह बहुत smart लगता है. इसके साथ थाई हाई बूट्स पहने हो और स्लिक बैक हेयर करे हो, रेड लिपस्टिक लगाई हो. आई एम जस्ट इमेजिनिंग. द नेक्स्ट टॉप इज अनदर टॉप. बहुत सारे टॉप्स लिए हैं मैंने और ये ब्लैक है, बहुत सारे ब्लैक्स लिए हैं. बट इस टॉप के साथ मैं इतनी खुश हूँ गाइस, इतना स्मार्ट लगता है. दिस इज एक्चुअली फ्रॉम मैंगो. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. It is a very like a Victorian kind of feel to it. High neck है, turtleneck है. The sleeves has frills over it. Very frilly detail all over. Back से भी ऐसा ही है. Of course you have to wear a spaghetti inside if you want to. Also you can wear a tube if you want to. थोड़ा ज़्यादा coverage चाहिए तो you can wear a spaghetti. The next item जो मुझे सबसे पहले दिखानी चाहिए थी मैं भूल गई. This is the one that I'm wearing. This is also a top from Mango. I guess मैंने Mango से बहुत कुछ लिया है which I usually do not शॉप फ्रॉम मैंगो एट ऑल. मुझे वो बहुत ही ना ऐसे बोरिंग सा ब्रांड लगता है बट मिंत्रा पे उसकी कलेक्शन काफ़ी अच्छी थी. दिस इज़ वन ग्रीन floral printed top. The sleeves you can also do it downwards. This is says frill. You can also put it down, but I really like how it gives a nice shape on the neckline when I put it up. Square neckline, very trendy, very suitable for you know maximum body types. And I really like this fit. It is cropped, but you can, if you wear high waist denims, nothing will be visible. And I really like how cute this looks. What do you guys think? The next item is from H&M जो मैंने खोली भी नहीं है, अभी आपके साथ ही खोलते हैं. This is scarf. Yes, I was looking for a good scarf क्योंकि जब winters में ना आपको dresses वगैरह पहन के parties या कहीं जाना होता है, you really need a cover up. और I think black color goes with almost everything. So that's why I opted this one in black. Now this is going to be a good cover up. It's also very soft and very warm. H&M की scarves की quality I personally really like. अच्छे होते हैं. Now this is that. The length is good enough, not very long. बट मीडियम लेंथ है. यू कैन ऑल्सो रैप इट अराउंड योर नेक. ये भी एक एसेंशियल है, स्कार्फ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. H&M से है for just ₹800. I think this is a great price for this kind of quality and style. The last two products of this haul, actually guys, और बहुत सारे stuff मैंने order करा है, तो अगर आपको part 2 चाहिए तो please comment करना अभी. I will do it for sure जब आ जाएंगे. अभी पहुँचे नहीं है मेरे पास. Already इतना सारा सामान हो गया था, तो I thought एक part 1 टाइप तो कर ही देती हूँ, क्योंकि वो फिर बहुत लंबा हो जाता है. Anyway, this is the information which I don't need to share with you. I am struggling to open this bag. This is from H&M. I always wanted a pearl bag so bad. And this is it. Like, this is the pearl bag which I always wanted. It's so pretty. This will amp up your outfit in seconds, and everybody's gonna be like, wow, this beautiful bag. Anyways, whenever I buy things, I always imagine looks before buying it, so that I don't do like impulsive shopping or बिना किसी बात के मैं कुछ भी ले लूँ. Only if I feel like yes, I can style this in this way. These are the next and the last thing that I want to show you on this haul, and look at this. So pretty. Eye wala earring is very trendy. A. Rhinestones are very trendy. B. The length is perfect, like a really perfect length, and only for ₹800 from H&M. What else do you want, you guys? I think this is a good pick, a really nice accessory to again amp up your outfit and make your basic outfit, you know, party ready instantly. What is your favorite pick? Do leave it in your comments. Like this video, please share it with your friends and everybody, your girlfriends, and subscribe guys if you still haven't. Part 2 के लिए comment down कर देना और subscribe करना मत भूलना. I will see you next time. Bye.